How to repost on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to repost on Instagram. So in order to do this procedure, first thing first, update your application and then log in into your Instagram account. So once you open up your Instagram account and logged in into your account, locate the Instagram post that you want to share. So just go ahead and select the particular post. Let's see that this one, and tap the arrow icon or the airplane icon below the post, and this will open up a list of options to share the post. So you can either share it to your friends and families, or you can simply go ahead and add it to your story. But there is no such feature as to repost this particular way of reposting this particular content into your Instagram post. Unfortunately, Instagram does not have or allow any of these reposting on Instagram. So when you repost a particular content into your post, then it's basically copyright content. Unlike TikTok, there's no such feature to repost on Instagram. So basically when you share it to your story, it is known as reposting on Instagram. So this is how you can repost on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.